Okay, question 2 wethu guys bekuthiwa masisimplify then nalapha you need to have iskill sakho se-algebra ukusimplifya sibe on point ne? Then let's look at the first question. The first question esibuza uba masisimplify sinabani sino 2 raised to 2x minus 4 raised to x plus 1 all over 4 raised to x plus 2 raised to 2x minus 1. Okay, then i-step sokuqala and encourage ngaso as a student is that make sure that all your bases are prime factors ne? Each term, each base, look for a prime factor. U2 is already a prime factor, so let's leave it like that one. So we'll have U2 raised to 2x minus size ngapha u4 a prime factor ka4 it's 2 squared. So you already know that if you have a raised to n and you already have an other outside an existing exponent, this will mean that a is equal this is equal to a raised to nm. So in other words, the new exponent will multiply with the already existing exponent. So which means upper kule case u4 will be 2 squared. Then as a squared is got to so multiply nala x that was already there, which will give us 2x. Si multiply nala 1 that was already there, yonke exponent engaphandle, which will give us 2. I hope sihamba sonke pha andibhale kahle. So soba no 2 into raised to 2x plus 2. Okay, size apha sizoba no u4 une prime factor engu2, so soba no 2 squared, but there's already x that is existing, so izoba ngu2 multiplied by that already existing exponent plus size ngapha sino 2 raised to x minus 1. Okay, now kudependa ke ngoku iskill sakho se-algebra kawufika kwesi step. Apho ungayikhupha kwangoku i-common factor or else uqale ngokusplita kuqala, because if you are having a common base, i-base a1 ene-exponent ezi2, you split. So le ine-exponent a1, okay, it's fine. So bano 2 raised to 2x. Yes?
Bana la 2 look denominator ka for x, your 4 raised to x plus 2 la 2x kuphela la 2x la 2 la exponent ka 2x minus 1 u2 phayana yoyaphi.
Oh, sorry, thank you mntanami, i-mistake ndiphazamile. Suppose uba ukhona la 2 ndibhale ndingxamile, inkosi. And isincedile because hey ibiza sikhupha kwenye indawo besojikeleza endaweni eyi1. Okay, so sino 2 raised to 2x, then dependa again if awukwazi apha sino 2 raised to 2x, omnye angakwazi ubona athi hayi man u2 raised to 2x u2 raised to 2x ucommon mandimkhuphe ngaphandle, but omnye will need to first split. So xa usplitayo izoba ngu2 raised to 2, iyayazi uba u-a raised to n plus m ulingana nabani no a raised to n multiply by a raised to m. Are we together? So udlala ngayo, isayithi usuka ngapha uza ngapha or usuka ngapha uza ngapha. So apha soba nabani no 2x multiply by 2 raised to negative 1 all of I raised to positive 2, sorry, because nsekwi-numerator ne, kwi-numerator is raised to positive 2. Then size kwi-denominator 2 raised to 2x single exponent, it's fine. Then size plus ngapha sine double x, sine 2 terms exponent a2 as it terms as a2, so binomial exponent, so we will split that one. So soba no 2 raised to 2x multiplied by 2 raised to negative 1. So you can easily see now that u2 raised to 2x it's common, ne, ubonakala more than once. So masimkhuphe kabe i-common factor kwi-numerator uyi-common factor kwi-denominator. So sizamkhupha outside kwi-numerator sibe no-2 raised to 2x, inside kulanda ube no-2 raised to 2x kushiyeka 1 minus apha kushiyeka 1 times 2 raised to 2 which is still 4, right? All over size ngapha simkhuphe nalapha bengu-2 raised to 2x kushiyeke 1 kulanda ube no-2 raised to 2x ngapha kushiyeke sikhuphe kushiyeke 1. So izaba ngu 1 times 2 raised to negative 1 which will give us a positive 1 over 2, right? Then you can see that this and this will cancel. Up on 1 over 2 which will be 3 over 2 multiplied by 1, it's 2 plus 1, it's 3. So uno 3 over 2, but uzamnyusa because i-fraction ka unyusa nge-multiplication, so ngula 3 over 2 which will come and be 2 over 3. Then you can see that 3 and 3 will cancel. Final answer yakho izaba ngu-2. I hope siyambona la 2 over 3 busukaphi xa usimplifya le bracket. But ke ngoku awukwazi uba ne-denominator eyi-fraction. So sihamba sonke pha or ikhona i-ask? Wonderful.
Cala screenshot sir.
Okay, imake ndikuzumele out so that ivele yonke.
Inkosi.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, siye kwelandelayo i-ask. Bathi apha ku-solve for x now. Sisolve u-x nabani? Sinikwe u-3 x raised to 3 over 2 which is equal to 81. Then what then do we do? Nalapha isolator le terminal x, so kasi isolator so divide ngabani go 3 both sides qala, this and this will cancel, ufumane bani u-x equals to x raised to 3 over 2 equals to what? 81 over 3 ngibani? (27), right? 27. Then because this is 27, then to get rid of the exponent, ne, ziyi-2 indlela osusa ngayo exponent is either uzisa i-root, ne, ezofika ikhansishe lo exponent. If i-exponent yakho ngu-3 uzozisa i-cube root, if i-exponent yakho ngu-2 uzozisa i-square root, if i-exponent yakho ngu-5 uzozisa i-fifth root. But or you multiply nge-reciprocal of that exponent. Lo exponent, the exponents I multiply ngo-2 over 3 on the left. So what I do on the left I also do on the right, or maybe I start by writing the right hand side as a in exponential format qala to make life easier. So I know that there is no x raised to 3 over 2 olingana u-27 wenziwa ngubani? Ngu-3 cubed, right? So now to get rid of lo 3 over 2 which is exponent kwelicala, ndizomultiply ngabani? Ngo-2 over 3. What I do on the left I also do on the right. I multiply by reciprocal. So you can see that this side and this will cancel. You will be left with x equals to, then by joining this side, this and this will cancel. We will be left with 3 squared. Then 3 squared ngubani? Ku-9. That's it. Uthathe u-3 marks wakho ophisayo. size ku 2.2.2 2.2.2 bathini sino 2 raised to x plus 5 which is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 1 minus x. Okay, so nalapha senzani also here sizozama ukusplitter into yokuqala because le expression isahlangahlangene awukwazi ukwenza le ino x be subject oyifuna because remember ka solve for x wakho angaba numerator angayi exponent angayi base. So x wethu kai nangu ngoku uyintoni uyi exponent. So sometimes kubaluleke if singakwazi ukujonga senze sure that bonke x bethu abazi exponent ba positive masizama uwina loo nto kuqala, then we will take it from them. So masijonge apha soba nabani soba no 2 raised to x simplify lento sihla nayo le as it is multiply by 3. So ka sisplitter lo 2 uzawuba ngubani because une exponent ezi2 izoba ngu3 multiply by 2 ne. Then lo u2 wesibini because i-exponent yakhe negative siyamhlisa siyombeka ezantsi abe yi-denominator 2 raised to x. I hope it's make sure it's a step, although this shortcut here. If you understand it, I will be happy, but if you don't understand it, please nicho guys so that dizame kusicacisa sihamba sonke pha.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Okay, then we move on. We say okay, but now since we are solving for x, asikwazi to solve for x a denominator, so we multiply or athi omnye yabona meneri xa so multiply ngo2 abano x squared ingathi izaba complicated kum leto. Umntu utishala wam wandifundisa kwali ndibone into eappearisha more than once ku-expression and ibinele variable ndiyenzayo mandileqe kwi-k method zisuka. So mna meneri ndidicide uba mandivese ndileqe ku-k method zisuka ndithi let, because ndiyayibona uba sizoba nengxaki apha meneri 2 raised to x abe ngubani abe ngu-k. So which means i-expression yam ngu-k plus 5 equals to 3 times 2 which is 6 ne 6 over k. Then ke ngoku masolve ke ngoku meneri, then I multiply by i-denominator yam because andikwazi solve for k a denominator, ndi multiply everything by k. Then k multiplied by k will give me u-k squared plus 5k. U-k no-k bazokhansilishana, lo 6 ushiyeke ngapha ndimtranspose ibe ngu-minus 6 is equal to 0. Then from there ke ngoku meneri ndifactorize by jonga ring. Yes mntwana,
Would it be a problem if sisebenzise cross multiplication?
i-cross multiplication akuzuba i-problem but kufuneka uyisebenzise kakuhle nayo. If usebenzisa i-cross multiplication uthenga u-k plus 5 is equal to 6 over k, right? Then kufuneka uyenze le ibe yi-term a1 ne, because or xa usenza i-cross multiplication lo k funeka uyazi uzomultiplya up aphinde azomultiplya nalapha, still is the same thing ne. Eyona nto funeka wenze sure ngayo because ingeyo term a1 ngapha. So i-cross multiplication, that's why it's always advisable xa kukho i-term a1 on the other side then mhlawumbi uno-b over c ngapha, so iba easier because uyayazi uba lo sizomultiplya just only le term e1. Ngamanye amaxesha i-student singenza i-mistake yoba lo k singamultiply in both k and 5, simultiply mhlawumbi ku-k yedwa, but usebenza ngolu hlobo ul understand. If uyakwazi uapply i-multiplication i-cross multiplication yakho kakuhle uyi-execute, it's fine, go for it, akho problem. So sizoba nabani, sizoba no k squared or sithe u-k i-factor zethu apha izaba ngu-k open bracket again multiply by k. Factors the last term as i-middle term ezosinika i-middle term xa siziminus i-difference yazo ngu-6 no-1. Enkulu ithatha isign e-middle term, encinci ithatha isign opposite, so ibe ngu-0, which will mean that this will now be k wethu is equal to negative 6, or k wethu ulingana no positive 1. Then sikhumbule uba besingasolve for k to begin with, besolve for 2 raised to x. So in other words, uthi meneri ngoku 2 raised to x ulingana no negative 6, or u2 raised to x ulingana no 1. So remember, if what's on this side is positive, ibase yakho, and you are solving for x or exponent, there's no way akho exponent onoyenza ene influence ukuba because if there's a way akho ndlela onombhala ngayo lo 6 as 2, noba ungathi 2 to the raised to negative whatsoever exponent, alo exponent ayinoyitshintsha isign yale base. I-exponent ayina power to change the sign of the base, so which means awukwazi ukuyibhala le base ngapha ibe negative ibe positive, ne? But i-base on the right hand side is positive, so upper there will be no solution. Awuzihluphi nozihluphi, no solution, you just know. Okay, then uze apha ke ngoku, you know that okay, hayi man, u1 ndingambhala kodwa u1 njengo2, because I know that any number raised to 0 is equal to 1, so that means also 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this therefore menerited ukuthi u2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to 0. That means x wam will have to be equal to 0. Is this one making sure? How many marks was it? Even 5 marks, guys. Remember, i-k method akunyanzelekanga uyisebenzise, but ndiyayikhuthaza to avoid making mistakes. Once wabona into exhakaxhaka enintsi kwakho into appearisha more than once, you let that whatever ibe ngu-k or ibe any alphabet onoyisebenzisa. We call that the k method. Okay guys, so masize ku solve for x ke ngoku. Yo sorry, ku 2.3. Ku 2.3 bathini guys? Ondifaka ku 100% ngonithenqa itheni yankulu kangaka. 2.2 kuthiwa you are given the expression 1 plus root 2 over 3 plus 2 root 2. This is equal to root a plus b. Bazothi ke ngoku, because they know indlela enizi-genius ngazo, nikhule ngento ezine-vitamins, nisitye i-purity, determine the values of a and b without using a calculator. Now, where do we start? Where do we begin? Where do we begin? That's the ask. So now, i-step sami sokuqala enokuxelela sona, you can focus, maybe take the left hand side lodwa. You check if I take this left hand side, can I simplify this left hand side such that I will have finally izanika i-expression whether izoba ngu-root 2 plus 4, but lo expression izaba similar to this one. Are we together? So that's what comes in my mind ngoku, ne? So masike siyijonge lento uyithethayo menere, although ingekavakali uba uzama ukuthini sikuphi chance. Okay, so what I'm saying guys, ndithi okay, let me take the left hand side alone. So I'm taking 1 plus root 2 over 3 plus 2 root 2. Then ndizakwenza ntoni apha? Into endifuna uyifumana apha, ndifuna ukwenza sure ukuba bayijonga ring apha i-left hand side yam i-denominator yayo ngu-1 ne, and i-radical sign is only on the numerator. So now ndizocinga ndingenza njani to cancel this radical sign. So to cancel the radical sign funeke ndiyimultiplye le denominator with what? With u3 minus 2 root 2. Ndenzela ntoni loo nto? Izandinika ntoni? Ndiyarationalize mos ngoku ne. So but umrationalizer wam uxhomekeke kwi-denominator buzoba njani. The reason ndimultiply ngo-3 minus 2 root 2, it's because that this will be kanti multiply together le nto izawuba yi-difference of 2 squares. So andizoba na radical sign as i-denominator. I hope it's make sure. Okay? But now le expression funeka ndiyigcine ile nto. So what I did with denominator, I need to do the same with numerator as it is. Okay? Ndizama uyicacisisa into guys. Okay. Then now we start the calculations. So by jongaring upper this bracket ziyafana kutshintshe ntoni i-signs, that means the difference of 2 squares. So i-answer yam ye-denominator, this means it's going to be 3 squared, which will be 9. Then upper this root will cancel with this one, and the 2 will multiply with 2, so 4 multiply by 2, which will give me 8. Now I will have negative 8. Are we together? 9 minus 8. Then in numerator yam I have what? Okay, now as ayo difference of 2 squares as funny. So I multiply everything here. 1 multiplied by 3 will give me 3. 1 multiplied by negative root 2 will give me negative 2 root 2. Then again, root 2 multiplied by 3 will give me positive 3 root 2. Then root 2 multiplied by negative root 2. Root ne root is a cancellation. That will give me negative 4. Are we together? Then I continue with my expression, the simplifier. Then by jonga ringi denominator yam now is about 1. 9 minus 8, it's 1. So 1 and impalika denominator. So focus on numerator. Then on my numerator I'm having negative 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, which will leave me with only 1 root 2. Positive 1 root 2 like them. 3 minus 4 will give me negative 1. Menier, hey, this now equal expression ubuthetha ngayo a root a plus b, ne? So noba kuthiwani lento siyisimplifyile, that means le root a urepresentwa ngu-root 2, root b urepresentwa plus b urepresentwa ngu-negative 1. So therefore menier, in conclusion, I can say that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to negative 1. Is it making sense?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is it, guys. 5 marks. That question was out of 20.